Yo, what's going on, gang? Back with another video. I know it's been a minute. I really haven't been doing too much mods. I know I've been working a lot, so I haven't had time to place any orders on new stuff or anything like that. We getting some performance parts soon. I'm just trying to see which way I want to go to build a motor and everything. So yeah, man, today is just a Sunday. It's about to rain later on, but I'm gonna still wash my car because it got some heavy rain spots on it. So yeah, I'm gonna just go get some gas, and then we're gonna go to AutoZone second, and then head to the car wash, man. So basically, this is just a wash day, cruise day, talk about the plans and everything coming up. So yeah, let's go. A rainy day. It's always raining here. That's the only thing I don't like about this city. It's laid back, but it's just always raining. I wonder, should I go up that way to get the gas? I think I'm gonna go that way to get the gas first, fill up, and then go back and head to AutoZone. Yeah, man, it's always raining. But I'm gonna try to put some wax on it today though, so the rain spots won't be on there, it'll just bead off. Oh yeah, I did get some new though, Chad. I got a Batman's Performance tuner. Right now I'm still stock. I just got a 93 tune, pump gas tune, so that's all I got for real. I didn't get that too special. But I am, once I do performance mods and build a motor and everything how I want, I'll do custom tuning and all of that from there. I still gotta get a mount for it, cause as y'all see, it's still in my little holder, radio holder thing. So yeah, once I get a mount for it, then we'll start playing with it more and all of that. I'm just gonna go up here, get some gas, and then once I fill up, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a little bit. Yo, alright, so I'm back. Just got done getting gas. Man, I ain't know 93 was that high. It's like almost $4 a gallon. I only got a half a tank. That's crazy. I guess that's the price you pay, man. But let's go ahead to AutoZone, get this spray on wax, then we're gonna go. I need to get my windows tinted next. That's something I'm gonna work on. Cause yeah, people be looking at me crazy with this camera on my hat. It's all good though. I've seen a lot of people have been subscribing though, man. I appreciate all of y'all. We definitely came far last year. We was like at 60 subscribers. Now we at like 137, so that's pretty good in my books for real, bro, you know. I know this shit gonna take a long time to, you know, get started going up, but for how we doing so far, we doing pretty good. I'm gonna start posting more often though. I'll just be busy at work. And then once I get off work, I'll be tired. I don't really wanna make no YouTube video, no content. But I'm gonna start utilizing that time this year. Like if I get off early or something, just start utilizing that time to make videos. I do got a surprise for y'all. I think I do. I ain't gonna speak on it too soon. I might not. But you know, it's a big mod that's coming for the car, man. You know, that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say, man. It will help out tremendously for us. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about that. I ain't gonna speak on it too much, like I said, but yeah. We do got a big mod coming in, if it does come in. So I'm still waiting on it, see how it go. But you know, if not, we still gonna get it though, so it might not be next week how I plan, but we'll still get it. So like I said, I'm just head to AutoZone, get that done, pick up the wax. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use the car wash soap. I don't like driving around without like too much stuff in my trunk. I just got my tool set, tiles, microfiber tiles, all of that. Got all that in the trunk. Yeah, I think I'm just use the car wash soap and just pick up some wax. That should be good. Last week I did like just a hands-free wash at the car wash. I didn't really wipe it down too good, but today I'm gonna wipe it down today. I'm gonna use soap and wipe everything down. This light takes forever. I gotta do a review on my FR500 steering wheel. I had it for, I'd say about a month or two now. And it's, I really like it. I like the feel of it. Everything's still intact. Yeah, man, it's a good $300 to buy. It's worth the pay out for it. It's a little too high, but it is worth it though. But yeah, let me get to this AutoZone, get everything I need, and then I'm meet you guys at the car wash. Alright, man, we finally made it to the car wash. I'm gonna use this spray on wax after, you know, I clean it, and we're gonna see how it do. I think you just spray it on while it's wet still, and then dry it. Yeah, so we're gonna do that, and yeah, man, that should protect all the rain and shit. So yeah, we're gonna try that, man. Oh, shit, what I like to do is we don't want soap yet. We want the pre-soak. Pre-soak it first. And then so change. I went to the most ghetto car wash ever, bro. Alright, now that we got some coins, we're just gonna try some coins. And I guess the shit didn't work. Just use all these bitches. Use all the coin, man. Alright, yeah, pre-soak. So you come over here first. What I usually do, just pre-soak it, you know, so all that dirt build up could come off easily without you scrubbing so hard. And you get the roof, everything, yo. Everything. If there's anything coming out of here, it seems like mostly goddamn water coming out there more. Alright, I'm gonna switch to rinse, cause it ain't shit coming out of here. Yeah, we just gonna have to go to rinse. Where's rinse at? Bro.
This is some bullshit! Boo this man! No!
I picked the wrong one, bro. This is some bullshit. Alright, we just gonna go straight to the rinse side to go try another one. But yeah, man, I ain't even gonna I'm just lightly use it. I ain't even gonna do high pressure. But basically, you want to press the pre-soak option first and then use the rinse. But since the other one ain't work, we're just gonna use this one. see if they got the higher soap option. If not, yeah, it looks like they just got mostly water coming out. Yeah, I ain't even got the high soap option, so high rinse, so we just gonna go to foam and brush. I know next time to get some soap. I ain't gonna cheap out on soap next time. Yeah, we just gonna use it like this. Don't use the brush. Please don't use the brush. Alright, wet your microfiber towel. And then, shit, you just want to start from the top all the way to the bottom. So usually I like to start with the roof. And then just go all the way down to the bottom. Alright gang, we back. Just rinsing the car off now. And I'm gonna probably go and apply the wax. And yeah, and then I'm gonna clean the wheels last. That's what I'm gonna do last. Alright, so it say while it's still wet, just spray it and then dry it off with a towel. Yep, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do, man. Get our microfiber towel. Just start drying off. So we probably gonna start this quarter pounder right here and then go all around. So you just want to lightly, hold on, I gotta open it up with my dumb ass. Alright, and then just that all down slow. I ain't heavily pressing it. Just like that, chat. You know, hit the windows. Ain't nothing wrong with the windows. You can hear them. Hell yeah, hit the windows. All in there. Yeah. Alright gang, what's up man? So my GoPro died while I was recording. I was just letting y'all know this the finished product. You see it looks good. It's about to start raining now, so I'm probably gonna head out, but yeah man, she looks pretty good though. Stay tuned to the channel man. Yeah, we're going up. It's your boy Q. I'm out man.